So right here, you can't hardly see the chalk marks, but this is where our stream will originate in our natural pond. And the stream will cascade in small waterfalls and go and feed into our natural pond. This is our natural pond. It's very deep. It's very big. And we'll have, you see these dips over here, we'll be putting gravel in those, and the water will percolate from the bottom up through a pipe system, and the water comes up and then goes up through the root system of native plants that'll be growing in the water. So there'll be native plants all around the shallow areas, and then an area that's about 2 to 3 foot deep for kids to get in, and then a deep part where we'll be able to dive off into it and so forth. And then we'll have native plants all the way around the outside. So we get aeration for the water from the waterfall. We'll recirculate the water off of the deep, because you can't have cold and warm water not mixed together. And then we'll put native plants around. So in this pond, there will be fish and turtles and all kinds of natural stuff. So it'll be like diving into a crystal clear stream. Just like on farms, these plants are so aggressive about taking nutrients out of the water, so they're pulling the nitrogen and phosphorus that naturally occurs in water. It'll pull that into their root systems, so algae can't survive, because algae is kind of weak. These strong plant root systems will sequester all the nutrients out of the water, and it'll be crystal clear. So we're looking forward. This is a big process, but we're looking forward to this. And it's called a natural pond.